Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this countdown video on the CapCut PC app. I'm just going to select this video. It has around 8 seconds. So I'm just going to make this countdown video literally 8 seconds. Go to text and add in your default text and just type in numbers starting from 8 or the highest one. Just the font size as well, and I'm going to select another font for this, maybe like this one. Actually I might just change the background for this because I want it to start from 10 or 5. Here, I'll just use this one. So 10. If you can't really see the text, just go to adjustments and make your videos darker a little bit, or you can add in shadows. It's up to you. And make this like 1 second. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, put the mark here and make it like a second each. I'm just going to also adjust the font size as well. Then I'm going to just copy and paste it and change the numbers. It's already at 1 second per number, so I don't have to change it again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoops. Okay, then select everything. You can change the colors, but I choose not to. Right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to basic, and add in motion blur. I usually have my blur to like 80-ish and my blend to like 50 to 60% to have like this like blended animation. Is it? Okay. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!